Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about the frontside 180. Yep, that's right. After over 3 years of this channel being up, we're finally getting to frontside 180s. Go figure. So this is basically how I set up for the frontside 180. I have the front foot with the toes hanging off, back foot just generally in the center of the tail. Nothing special there. I just think that the most important thing is to kind of have your toes hanging off. Almost any trick you see me do that involves a frontside rotation, whether it's a frontside 180, frontside 360, frontside pop shove it, I tend to have the toes hanging off a little bit. That's usually what you're gonna see, and it's because I think it gives me better control over the board when it turns frontside. I like having the toes ahead of the game a little bit, and the toes kind of help keep the board in place as I'm rotating. You'll see that I'm winding up, and once I pop, my shoulders are fully open towards the front already. So after I pop and I just lift myself up into the air, the lower half of my body is really just catching up. That's all it's doing. It's just catching up to the upper half of my body so that I'm now fully facing the front. And then as I start to descend, I'm just twisting my lower half even more to really just complete the 180. And once I land, I'm still facing the front. I like to do that just because I like to be facing where I'm going. Yours may not look exactly like this at the beginning, and that's totally cool. You might not have as much pop, or you might not try to level it out as much. And that's perfectly fine. I'm just demonstrating how I like to do it. So that's just a basic rundown of the frontside 180. Really easy trick to start learning after you have your ollies down. Some people prefer backside, some people prefer frontside, but either way, it's really just about winding up before you pop, opening your shoulders, keeping them there, and just really that sort of pelvic twist that really makes the trick what it is. So just a quick video today again. Let me know if you guys want to see any more frontside variations. Stay cool, it's getting pretty hot outside. See you next time.